Oh, yeah, what's up? I need that.
Excuse me? What?
I need that right now. No, you can't. I need that. I need that coffee cake right now. You can go without breakfast for a day. I can't. You know I can't. Whatever. Take it. Great. Can't wait to eat my coffee.